Like no,
Upper.
the thing where they sing like really high and stuff.
Peach?
Opera?
Opera.
No.
Oh.
Like the.
Yeah, it's just called opera, or like, or is it though?
I don't
Like in
know.
Swedish,
Like
it is.
yeah, it's opera house. Wait. It just doesn't make sense for me because it's like the browser opera. Like, bro, what is this?
Yeah.
Yeah. But I was there today like this was the thing because I didn't have school and it was epic. Not gonna lie, it was fire.
Wait, what? Sorry, I was chatting with a singer.
The Sega.
Yeah, she's geek. Yeah, what did you say?
It was fire in the opera house.
Oh, you were in an opera house? Damn, okay. Yeah, I don't know, my school day was hella boring and funky. I don't know, man.
Hmm.
You know, sport, as it's called in
Yeah,
Germany.
yeah.
Yeah, the
Sure.
only thing we did was dancing. I hate dancing.
Oh.
Yeah, bro. I thought this thing was gonna be a good lesson, and then I just come in there and I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah, nah, man, you cooked.
What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Yep. And then the Swedish transport system wanted to fail. It's segfaulted. But it's alright.
Alright, it's time. Hello?
Okay. To vulcanize.
To vulcanize, exactly. I think. Let's see. We are getting there. We're getting there. Wait, where the fuck am I? I should make a trailer kind of like this winter. Lucas tries Neovim again or something like that, you know?
That can be your Christmas special.
Christmas.
Okay, guys, I will go now for a while because I gotta, have the plan. I gotta discuss it with Redmaster, and I need to do my math homework.
Yeah.
Alright, see ya.
We'll be back soon.
Okay.
See you in a bit.
Bye bye.
Also, I probably won't be here very much. Also, I'll probably just be music because I have to study.
Alright, that sounds good. I'm gonna fix these things. I don't remember. D in it. Oh, it takes the allocator now. I don't know if I need to pass it, but it's fine. We don't even have such a thing anymore as these things. They can go by. Mesh. Yeah, we don't have demesh anymore. This we do have still. Expected Vulkan descriptor crow found const. Bye. Wait, what's wrong with this? Yeah, we don't have a descriptor anymore. This is just a compute layout. Oh, image. Wait, what? Descriptor, draw image descriptor. Hold on. Don't actually supposed to bind descriptors. Do I have a, is it a separate? No, I draw it on top of the image, right? Yeah, no, I draw it on top of the image, so it's just the drawable image that I'm supposed to take there. So just the current image? Is it not? Command buffer descriptors. Wait, pick a bind descriptor set. Then it's the current frame descriptor set. But it's no, this is for the wait. Which parameter is it? It's the third last one. Here. Dynamic offset, dynamic count, the descriptor set. Oh wait, but isn't this then? Shouldn't I be doing this? That's what I should replace that with actually. Let's see. How do they? I think that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Because here I just switch oh no, wait. Ah, okay, no, this is fine. Because I just do it modulo 2, okay, then it's fine. It's a bit risky to do that, but it's fine. Okay. Okay, then I guess it's fine. We'll just take this, and it will basically replace this information. Like so. So we will have to get the Allocator for the descriptor of image, that's the texture, create descriptor set point, get buffer update. But I want it for the actual shader. They don't talk anything about This is chapter. Let's go here. Let's search for compute. Here, compute background effect. Okay, no, that's not. Create info, compute. Okay. Okay, wait here. Let's see. Compute push constants, but where do they store these ones? Push, compute layout, create, and gradient pipeline layout. That's the thing I want to use. Gradient pipeline. Yeah. Gradient pipeline layout. And where do they actually do the drawing for it? Am I just tripping balls right now? Need the pipeline. Here's make. Builder. Draw image descriptor. Draw image descriptor layout. Okay. I wouldn't be thinking that. It's okay. Oh, Pig is in the chat. Let's see, what can I do? Cell dot draw. That's just the image. There's no such thing as the. We want the. What do I want? I want the. Compute descriptor layout. There. No. Let's just. Well, I guess current. What do we actually have? That is supposed to be the same as that, because I don't think we're supposed to have. We have the graphics image descriptor, we have the graphics compute descriptor layout. That's not. It's just layout. Or am I missing something? Scene data. Because we do initialize it, right? But the load compute descriptor config. I don't actually do it. Well, then it explains it. Wait, have I? No, here it is. Gradient color. This is the thing I want to be. Init compute. Yeah, okay, here. But why am I not passing the... Or am I? Ah, init compute, because init compute has it just hard-coded. Okay, that's why I don't see it. Okay, well that makes sense. Okay, init compute, that's the pipeline. Then we have the compute, the layout, but do we have the descriptor? I'm curious to figure out, like, draw image descriptor layout. Global descriptor allocator. Okay, it's just the... And then it's just for the init once. Ah, okay. Do I have a global descriptor? I don't think I have one. I think I was supposed to have one. Yeah, okay. I think they even did one. I just didn't do it because I was like, that looks weird. Why would you have a global one? And, well, that's why. Let's see. Wait, did it sit in here? That I don't remember. Probably it wasn't. No, it was just before this. It's still creating the thing. Writer. Right. Info. Dynamic. This is the frame data and scene descriptor layout. Okay, no, it wasn't the global. I thought it was. But they do have a global one. And that's probably in the header. Let's see, chapter. Wait, I already had it in chapter 2. What the fuck? Okay, what? Anyways, I'm gonna look in chapter 4 header here. Descriptor allocator growable. Yep, they just have it there. I'm just gonna also join that idea, and I'm gonna put this one way over there for now. I'm gonna put it right here. Dot descriptor dot growable. I'm not gonna find it. We have to initialize in a good place. Computer descriptor. We can do it right here. Descriptor growable init cater device. Should have device max sets ratio pools. What do they use for this one? Do they just call it sizes? Yeah, they just call it sizes. Well, that's actually all I need. Just pull that whole 10 sets with one image each. 10, okay. I will also go for 10. And we have to change this slightly. Pool sizes. Yes, just gonna call it. Have to make the bar. BK descriptor dot global dot pool size ratio. Right, we have to do a slight change. be fine. Wait, it's like that. I swear to God, why am I not doing this right? Oh wait, there was 2 equal signs. What the fuck? Ah, way better. Okay, and this one will just become my dot and dot like so, and then the init will take in the device, the next sets the pool ratio. So now we can pass this one in here, and then semicolon, and it seems to be fine for now. So now we'll have this that thing, and we can go to return. Add it there, bam. And probably also add it in the init. Usually the images will be in the line of this thing, so we'll do self that thing the init, just passing the allocator and the device. Yeah, self device. And then in here we can just now we can actually go on about this thing which I was trying to do. Because now we'll have access to this, we'll have the global thing. Which is this over here. We'll have... Oh, it happens also. Oh, you don't have to do... Oh, thank God you don't have to do that. Okay, so I just do that once to the draw image descriptor allocator. I think I do that, don't I? Where did that thing go? Actually quite something. Rent. Oh yeah, I have single. I don't have a draw. So I have to add that as well. Wow. And it needs to be global. Yep, it needs to be. It's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. Figure it out. So now, oh wow. I'm gonna complain that I cannot do array initialization. It's not support the array initialization. Yes. Fuck. So we need the script. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't rename that as well. Okay. It's okay. But shouldn't this be enough? So they don't have a compute? I think that should be enough. I don't need to do the other one. We'll just go with it. We'll trust. I will trust it. I will not do what they do. I will do what I... What the fuck? Find reasonable, alright? Because that ends so well every time. Well, it actually does. But, yeah. Dot ratio. What did I copy? Okay, okay, and then we'll take that ratio and like so. Bam. Never muted it. Bam. What are you apping about? I'll try. And we still need to do. Now we can do global allocator allocate allocator device, and then we can take the layout which will be... I will actually just use the compute scripture layout. I don't know. As handle, I think it's supposed to be the handle. I don't say to take. Yes, and the next will be null. I don't have anything to deal with that. Allocating the allocator is crazy. What do you mean? It's not like that, all right? Expected type. Wait, what the fuck? What have I done? Well, that's what I have done. It's a bit misleading. It's you're allocating just, okay, I should probably be more descriptive about, you're just allocating another thing to the pool. You're allocating more descriptors sets. Maybe I should be a bit more descriptive about what it actually does, but yeah. It's okay, it's okay. You know, we don't really care. I don't know, that's it's from a C++ tutorial, okay? Bro, I don't know what to do. I should probably have expand sets. Very well allocated. Yes, very much. Oh my god. I thought that would be the issue. Expected error union found struct. What? Ah. Get pool. Ah. Okay. And we're back here. Come on, you should be able to understand that now. Oh wait, I'm the one that's being super stupid. I was like, why does it understand? Let's see what's wrong with this thing. Ah, this one has to be the handle. I thought I fixed this yesterday already, but apparently not. Expected type, struct, descriptor set. Bro tried to CPP it. I tried to OOP it, alright? I just thought he would understand the reference of where the scope, right? It just wouldn't work, right? Alright. Wait, what? This should be... Expected type, C struct found... How can I get an error union from... Nah, I don't think that's... Oops. Bruh. Many undos. How can it not understand that? It should be a try. Because otherwise I will have some other issues here. Expected type int, yeah, exactly. But I shouldn't have to do the try on this thing? Nah. Then why is it expected types optional pointer structure found type info type Vulkan shit. Turn error union. What the fuck? Where's that shit coming from? No, it's definitely gonna be that. I have no idea why it's complaining about this. Point. But that doesn't make any sense. It's like complaining about some weird ass error that I have no idea why it would have an error issue there, because it's like expected. No, it still finds that weird error. But I'm already doing a try. Oh, bro. Why am I trying to return the actual? That's also weird. I shouldn't. Should I actually return the? Why am I trying to? Why would I? What? Expected type found void. Yeah, I don't need to store that if I'm gonna check it. Here I need to check it. Now it doesn't know what the fuck this thing is. Great. But then I don't... Wait. Oh my god. I'm just making it worse, am I? Like so. Yeah, now we're on to it. Error ignored. Try. Haha. So. And then cannot assign to constant. And the handle. And this probably has something similar. Error union is ignored. Try. And then error union is ignored. Try. And then now I need to figure out this thing. Why would I want to do it? I don't think I used the... I do use it. Okay. I need to store that, but that's okay. This is no field name len. Yeah, I have to do items. So no member, that should be there. Pop. Just pop. Expected type array list align found. Ah. Expected? Did I just get two? Wait, double optional. Do I have an optional to an optional? What's going on over here?
Yo, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Bro, we just speedran our
thing.
yeah, our math homework.
Damn.
And how it's going for you?
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. Bro has maybe ready pool. Has maybe. Bro, this maybe ready. I don't. It's not my
Bro,
fault.
what is happening?
It's not my fault, alright? I don't know, bro. This is it's just how it is, bro. I don't know, bro. I can't.
Lucas,
Yo,
you're
yo,
not
yo.
streaming on Discord. Yo,
Oh, shit.
Harold,
Yeah,
what's
stream on
up?
Discord.
Okay, fire.
Maybe ready. Ah. Expected fragment found 3. What did it expect? The allocator is not provided. That's what. Shit. Crate pool. I have to pass it in
Why does it need an allocator?
for creating a pool.
Can't you do that with like a buffer?
No, because it's supposed to behave like an STD vector. That it's depending if you just add more and more and more. It's the thing that keeps track of all of the descriptor sets, you know.
Okay. Yeah,
So
if you need
it
an
will double in
allocator, you need
size
an
every
allocator.
time. What?
Yeah, well, if you need an allocator, you need an allocator.
Facts, Harold 2025. If you need an allocator, you need an allocator.
It
Yeah.
is what it is.
It is what it is.
What it is.
I don't know, I've been thinking about storing the allocator, but then again, I also prefer to actually pass it in every time, because it's like, then you know that this thing is gonna do something with memory, and you know that you can fuck things up, you know?
Yeah, well, you can manage to fuck something up without memory management issues,
But at least this kind of like, it's there, you know? You won't have any weird allocations
Yeah.
out of nowhere. If you pass it in, you know that the only reason you pass it in is because you're gonna use it. And then you can also think like, do I actually need to pass in the allocator over here, or am I just being dumb? And most of the time, you're just being dumb.
I'm always being dumb.
Always, it's a prerequisite to being part in this call. You have to be dumb.
Yep.
Well, that's funny now. No field name in get pool in growable.
You're probably taking allocator before self, and then it's.
Wait, or is no wait? Get pool is. That's such a misleading.
You're also taking an allocator before self. That's
Oh
the
yeah.
issue.
No, true. No wait, is self supposed to? Which one was supposed to be before? Isn't that like no? The self is.
Get pool. Self is before allocator.
Yeah, that's right.
It's always self first. It's like self, then it's probably compile time stuff, and then allocator. And then the rest of the fields, depending on importance, where the most important is first.
Let's see. Create pool. So expected Vulkan grow found array list grow. Okay. Ah.
And this would be yes.
Yes. Just
You want it to
items.
be an allocator from a slice. It's like pool ratios. That's a. You can do what? Okay. No. What are the types here? What is self dot ratios?
It's an array list of pool ratios, right?
And what does
yeah.
the create pool want?
I have just set it to be actually an array of pool ratios. But isn't just owner to slide? Well, that's kind of bad. I should
Use the dot items.
That's what I did. But it got worse.
Nah. Then you're doing something wrong.
Expected struct descriptor pool found type return type error union. Okay. I just need to change this thing. Because now I need to use a try. So I need to put that, and then I need to do a try here. And then incompatible. Fuck!
Bro, like, stop trying to multiply integers with, like, decimals, bro.
Don't worry, I got it. It's right there. Bam! Look at that. Right, I have to do actually self. And then self. Okay, wait, let me see. How was it? It's gonna be this. Is equal to incompatible fuck is crazy. Compatible fuck is crazy.
Also, don't specify U32.
Also maybe not make it const, it's already there. And then we don't need this one. Bam! And now we can see here, pull to use, expected type, struct, found, return, where do I get this from? Right, it needs to try. And then this one also needs to try. Alright, that looks pretty good. It's such a rewrite of the whole thing that I'm a little bit confused of what's going on everywhere, but as soon as we just shrink it down to just a simple thing, it will make sense, right?
We will never shrink it down to a simple thing.
We will. Use of unclear identifier GPU, that shouldn't be unclear. Yeah, right. But this is actually use of unclear struck ignored. Yeah, that's fine. Now we actually need to get this damn. I don't know what I'm supposed to call it. It will just need to be created once because we're just gonna be repeating it every damn time. So we can do the same thing that we have done here for these ones. I'm just gonna take them as reference, which I already do. I have it right here. It's fine, we will just take this. We can see that we're gonna have to do like this. Like so. So now we have this thing, it's good. We wait. Yeah, we want now what? No. Ah, bruh. So we want to need this. We won't have to call it. Or is it actually supposed to be? Wait, hold on. What do I call it down there? But that's the scene data layout, not this one. Yeah, they might be completely redundant, but we will just do it and say lol if it's too much, and then we'll remove it later. Yeah, now we just need to do the same thing that we do in here. Or they do. Which is this thing. This is for the compute. We're just gonna take that. And wow, my thing throws crazy. Let's see. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna have a rider. They just called a builder, but that's fine. And then we're gonna have a. We're not gonna append a buffer. We're just gonna add a binding. Wait. That's not how you do it. Wait. How? No. Wait. What the? Binding's over there. Okay, but then you need to update the damn set every time. What the fuck? Okay, this is where I'm lost. Because I'm like, how do we? Or this has to happen at some point, right? Okay, I'm just const for now. Once. Maybe I don't even need the compute shaders, but they're still
You're being
using
10
them.
minutes, I don't know.
What?
I'll back in like 10 minutes.
Alright. Draw image descriptor, like why are they using, where is this coming from now? Draw image descriptor. Why? Chapter here. Bind. Compute. Yes, this is what I want to do. But why? Why? Global allocate. Draw a descriptor image. So they do have a global descriptor image. And then they just write image, null handle image. They do this once. That's what I do. And okay, then I'm also gonna do it. This is fun. So after we have created this, we're gonna add this. I think yeah, draw image descriptor layout. I did that. Here. Okay. And then I have also that thing. Like, why? It feels like we were supposed to remove those things, but they still have them. I think I'm gonna do something more fun and see how bad it can actually break. I'm just gonna pass this. And then I'm still gonna use that, that's fine. And then here we're gonna do the writer. So we're gonna do vk dot descriptor dot writer. Right, my bad. And then we're gonna do a const of that, and we're gonna see to that we get take the voice in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be the hand or well, it's complaining about other stuff. Draw image should exist. Draw image. And first of all, that's also wrong. Writer, right. Append image. This is crazy. Draw image. I think I passed the handle. I'm not sure. I'm gonna pass. Or the image view actually is the thing that passing there. And then we can actually pass null. Shouldn't really matter. bk image. bk.c this, and then we can do that one. And then we'll just, this is kind of weird because this one, but no, it's for this set. Right. So update set, device, and then draw image descriptor. We will just, well, yeah, it's the same in this case. And it needs a try. And now it's something else. Expected for and found to. We want the allocator. What? Hold on, what the fuck? And of course I can't just go into it and see what the fuck they do with it. Okay, I will go in to see what I do to mine. Why do I pass in a... Oh, no, I'm wrong. We just want to pass in the allocator. So, and then we want to pass in a null. And then what's the next? Expected Vulkan growth found const. Okay. And what's the next issue? Compute descriptor layout, expected type, descriptor layout, T found. Handle. And that's what we can see. And let's see, that should be pretty much it. This is what I'm, oh, whoa. Self, right. And let's see. That should be enough to. But this is just so weird because this just update descriptors. I don't understand like how. No, wait. Does it update for? Because these ones will be destroyed right after. Like, what's the? I have the same setup as they do. Why would you do it like this and then just? It's gone and you never do anything else with it. Like, why would you do it? Like, what? Am I tripping? What the fuck? Let's see, chapter 4. Oh my god, why do they do it like this? Why? This is so bad. This, what? If I go to these things, right? Chapter 4 here. And let's go. We can go in. Of course, we cannot go and find the actual code, bruh. Okay, whoa.
Bless you.
Thank you. Draw geometry here. But this is also like.
Damn, I'm so hyped. A friend of mine just sent me a picture he pixeled for the game I can use.
Nice.
And he's making more. Yeah.
That's cool. How is this const anyways? Okay. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Wrong one. I'll take this one over there. But I should still be able to do this essentially. Oh, not that. Whoa. Type cons not it's not not nor in range. Can I change it? Wait, how can I just get the can I do this? No, this. Okay, that's how you do it. Yeah, I knew that. No field named images. What do I call image info? Right.
I'm back.
Welcome back. How have you been?
Fire.
Cannot assign to constant.
Very dog.
That's pretty dog. We can no handle. Just do a normal roll then. I don't know, bro. Alright. I mean, it's such a big abstraction they have done in this thing that I'm not actually fully understand. Like, I know vaguely, but it's like, oh.
You're falling into the hole of despair.
Yeah, to be honest. But yeah.
What are you doing right now, Lucas? Like,
I'm just.
technically.
They have tried.
I know you're doing the textures, but
they
I
have
mean,
tried to make an abstraction for how to do the layouts, the riders, and the whole like pipeline.
oh, for the pipeline.
Yeah.
Or... okay.
And for me, it's like it's so like I'm trying to really think, and my brain feels like exploding trying to put all of the pieces together because making an abstraction of
I
the
had
thing
the
is-
exact same thing.
Like I'm
Because
always struggling
everything
with
is
the core.
interacting with each other.
Yeah, I'm struggling with the core, and they are making an abstraction on it, which is supposed to make it like scale. I know it's not the thing I should be doing because I'm trying to make it actual game, not the whole engine. But then again, I was reading in on the benefits of it. I was like, okay, yeah, it's kind of nice, and actually would force me to learn actually how these things connect a lot more if I have to make an abstraction layer between these things. So I was like, okay, fuck it. And
But wait, you're using a constant sampler, right?
Constant sampler, do you mean for what are we talking about now?
Like a sampler for every object, right?
Yeah.
Like but one. Like
Actually,
you're
I have
not
two.
having a modular.
I had two.
Okay,
I have two. I have two.
Because for Blavi, I also made it so you could theoretically pass in your own sampler or use the default one. Because it's a library and it needs to be. And bro, this also was thing that made it so much more complicated.
But you know, it's kind of like I do believe and I trust that I will just have to push through it, you know, as always. And this time I will actually just make it. It will make sense. It will make sense. Wait, sorry, what? Draw descriptor. No, no. Ah, yeah, I'm using the compute one. Lol. Haha. You're not gonna. But we are going to store. Fuck me. Oh no. Okay, I actually have no idea. We will just. I will just let it leak, fuck it, and we'll see what happens. I prefer that. GPU scene data. How is that not no? It's literally bro. Wait. Ha. Lol. This is not supposed to be here. Oh wait, is it? It's supposed to be. This is the old thing I used to do. I think I will just do this. I will put it back in once I actually self.vma. That should be recognizable. Okay, what's actually the issue? For this thing. And what the fuck is going on? That should be okay. It has no memory. Ah, right. Expected buffer found. Okay, it needs to try. Expected found. Okay. And this one is same, just handled probably. We don't need to allocate? No. Expect the Vulkan right found const right. We need to make it a var. And this one it's a try. And it probably has some other that thing. Handle. And this one needs to be a var. And what else? Right, we don't have that anymore. We have descriptor, that growable. I know it's like that one. Growable, that's right. Oh wait, it's just that writer. Because yeah, like so. Fuck, but this shouldn't. No. Hold on. Isn't this the reason why I don't? This is why I don't. Okay, we could bind descriptor set, update descriptor set. Ah, okay. That's a difference. That's why. We still need this thing. Right? Right. That's not. Yeah. So you still bind the descriptor sets. You update them and then you bind. Okay. This should be fine. So pipelines handle found struct expected type struct wiki pipeline layout. Well, then it's just which one is used for graphics. I think I could probably find just whichever layout I was using for this thing. Layout. Single image descriptor layout. I think that's not the one I'm supposed to use, but I'm gonna go with it. Worst case scenario, it just breaks, which is probably most likely to happen. I think it's a bad idea that I'm trying to use multiple pipelines here. Wait, the fuck? Layout the expected found big descriptor and the pipeline. Wait, that should be the layout. Okay, like so. Yeah.
Wait, Lucas, I gotta go now. Do you want to pull my project one more time before or okay. It's not much that I added this time, but it's at least cool. Just so you know, not all textures are for my friend, just the ground at the moment.
Alright.
Yeah.
Where do I put you guys there?
Yo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yo, was it
How do we move?
Yo. Like the
voice?
same as
No.
before.
Uh,
But look, the
Whoa.
platforms are like one-way platforms, so like
Okay.
you know if
Oh,
you
that's
jump
nice.
above them, yeah, so you can't get actually stuck no anymore.
You,
But
you,
look at the ground and the clouds.
Is
Damn.
the
and
ground
the skyline.
moving?
Damn.
yo.
No, it isn't.
Whoa.
Ah.
Oh.
Yeah, we still gotta work on the controls a little bit, but I mean it's getting there step by step.
Definitely.
No, it ain't. Bro, show him the wrapping around part, you know, we gotta make
Yeah,
it
that's
wrap
the if you
What the
if you
fuck
go
happened?
to the right.
What
Yeah,
happened?
now that happens because if you go to the right, bro, you wanted to. Yeah, Lucas, if you go to the right enough, you will basically spawn back left. But because you're at the border where you teleport, and you're basically just teleporting right now because you're right at the border because you're standing there.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh,
we need to go right now. Like
How do I
just
go to the right?
and now we're back.
That's crazy. E. I don't know how to jump.
You need to be loud
the
enough.
soundboard for
You need
this.
to be loud enough to
I
jump.
cannot not now. It's too late.
Okay, I will add the mic strength.
Yeah, do that.
Probably next time. Okay, but then I will go sleep now.
Alright.
So good luck with the project, guys.
Thank you.
See ya tomorrow.
See ya. Bye bye.
Yo, me too.
And so there was only 2 idiots and Mr. Mago.
Damn. True sad story.
In the
Expected scene found void. What the fuck does this thing return?
I'm not stupid.
No, yeah, that's why we're not calling.
Yeah,
it.
no, that's why I said that's why I said 2 stupids and 1 Mr. Mango.
I am honored.
Well, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm wrong, you know, since you're in this server.
Yeah, stupid
I
is
think the
kind of
average
like a
IQ in this server is
prerequisite
like
to be here.
-10. Bro's
There you
favorite. Bro's favorite new word is requisite.
Requisite. Prerequisite.
No, post requisite.
Ah, I see. No field name, info, struct, Vulkan. What the fuck? There should definitely be a. Oh, right infos. Right. It should be called.
You're trying to index right info. Or right count, I mean.
Yo, what's up,
Aren't
Mango
you?
Crew on a 3-month streak? Yo, what's 3-month streak? That's crazy. Wait. What was?
Gotta go. So see you soon.
Yes, see you soon.
See you soon. Where is this thing? Where? Like, I don't even know. Like, where is this damn structure declared? Navigate in C++. This is horrendous. Oh my god. No, what? This is not where I want to be. Where's this damn structure, bro? Is this it? Oh, okay, here. Yeah, so it's descriptors. I'm just gonna call them rights. Yeah, that's better. Just wanted to see that. What should I actually call them? Rights. I'm gonna take that like so. Alright. frame init in swap chain. This one should. Oh, now we're back to this one. No field member and function named dinit. This is such a dumbass bullshit. I don't understand. It's right. It finds the init from here. When I try to call dinit, it's like.
Well, it's because you're putting allocator before self
Is it? No way.
on the frame init.
Bro, what the how did I do this twice? Well, I guess
I don't know.
third time. I still need to make it the third time, and then I will have learned my lesson, right?
Yeah, sure.
Expected Vulkan frame data found const. What?
Put the star after. I mean, before frame capture. Yeah.
Items.
Yeah, might have to ref. Oh yeah.
No, wait,
No, there's no items.
There is no items. Pointer capture.
You might have to do.
Pointer.
You just have to put a reference to it.
Okay, that seems to be fine.
Well, technically, the reference is kind of like a type casting thing, also.
Oh, okay.
Sort of.
Expected found men's.
Yeah, it's with a reference. You know.
Pointer get.
But then you probably don't want it in there. You probably want it in the parameter.
No, it's constant.
Yeah, the parameter should be
Wait, what am I actually getting? Allocation info.
put a star before allocation
Oh, it's
info
not
in
even
the
a
parameter.
pointer when I get it in. Okay, I thought it would be. Okay, well that makes sense.
No.
It still complains about. Wait, mesh it now. Root source file structure has no. Yes, we haven't renamed this. VK? Oh, it's just called VMA. My bad. Well, then it should have been correct. I don't understand why it's not. VMA allocator. Oh, it's not the VMA in front. Rah. That's crazy. Render expected struct. Expected type mem struct allocate info found. What? I suspect the point. What? Don't tell me that was the thing that we just were in, because then the issue is not. No, wait. We shouldn't actually. Well, it should come in as a. Actually, I don't wanna. Fuck. How should I do this? Sure. Fuck it. I think that's it's fine for now. And then we have to change this to a $. Vulkan VMA. P mapped expected render data found any opaque. Pointer cast?
And probably a line cast.
Increase the. Type render GB is not an indexable pointer. Okay. The jammer music is on again. How do Now the thing is, I don't even know. Wait, I should know. Wait. GPU. Oh yeah, size here. So I should pass in size to actually know also. Copy to allocation. Do I have access from the info the size as well? Let's see. There is the size. I think it's the one that I want to use. I don't know if this is probably not the way I should be. Nope. We need to do what we do over here. Then we're just gonna... It's the same idea. Well, do I even need to know the type? I can literally just take the map data. Same way. And then say the size. And the size here. And then we, of course we don't have STD. The data is there. Oh yeah, we need to know the type there, but we don't need it. We don't need to store it like this, and we don't need that. Instead, we can literally just do STD. Oh, fuck's sake. Ah, wrong button. No, wait. I change the color of my keyboard every damn time. STD. Like so, that should be fine. We shouldn't have to worry about doing that then, and that should still be fine. Yeah.
Yeah, then I'm probably gonna go now, so see you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. Generic. We got pointer struct. What? Inside where? VMA.sig? But I don't see. Okay, maybe it's just stripping. I have no idea. No generic function instance here. Where? Line 42, so this may not have worked then. But that one is the one I cannot modify, because that one will have to be this. Okay, well, we could do the same thing as this. And we'll just take the data in there instead. Bro, not like that. Expected pointers type to data. It's called const qualifiers. Oh well, we don't have to do double pointer then. Render node parameter expect declared. What? Oh, that's what I want. I want that, bro. Why would you do this to me? Okay, we're gonna go to okay. I was starting to think I am the one tripping. Wow. These are some beautiful. Woo. I don't know how to read those one. Oh, wait, we're getting somewhere. Is data your source or destination? Good question. Let's go. Wait, doesn't it? Okay. It's my source. So copy to allocation. I want to copy this data to my allocation. So it's gonna take my data to this mapped place. Yes. I was thinking a long time for that naming, and I don't know, that's the best name I can come up with. So, but now, let's see how this is gonna crash and burn so fucking good. We're gonna start space time, and then we're gonna go to the projects, and we're gonna do sig build run. Look at this. We actually got somewhere. Now that's crazy. And a lot of validation errors, which is completely fine because yeah. Make the u const, then instead of making data param a non-const pointer implies you're modifying data otherwise. Oh wait, I could do that. So I could change this one to just be, yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's actually, yeah. Wait, wrong way. Yeah, and then I will just change it in the renderer. Back, yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Wait. I don't have to do, but I probably will have to do a expected pointer type found. Probably still have to take the pointer of it. Can I do that? Does that now? But let's see if I have to do anything more than that. Expected found. Okay. So at PTR cast row. Okay, no, that's way better actually. Yeah, makes a lot more sense. Thank you. Alright, so now we're just to this basic stuff. Barrier p image memory barrier object handle p image where destination access read bit is not supported by mask pipeline stage transfer bit. Okay, so I'm just doing these barriers wrong. Let's see what else is wrong. It's just pipeline barrier, pipeline image barrier, copy buffer to image. That's because I probably have fucked up the barrier. Maybe. Write descriptor to set. Okay. P binding. Okay, that's and then it does a seg fault. I think I should probably not use. Let's see if I just go to draw and I don't. Let's actually push this. We got the refactor done. Yes. But no run. Like so. And I'm still pushing to server. I don't know why I'm pushing to server, but server branch is alright. I want to see now if I want to see that the initialization of everything is fine, because if that's fine, we don't have to worry about anything, because then it's just fine. We'll do one thing here. We'll just do this if true return. So we'll never really do anything. We'll just acquire the frame, acquire next. I don't know, do I have to submit it? Yeah, we'll complain if I'm supposed to do it. Okay, good. So segmentation fault already. Alright, so we can also try another thing in here. So we go to the while, and then here we just break immediately. We don't even call the draw once. We just say we're done. If true, you break. So now we should only have init errors. Okay, so I have a lot of issues with the init. Yay. Init means a tikka masala will spawn at my door. It's gonna be fire. Tikka masala. What the fuck is a tikka masala? What is a tikka masala? What is that? We're gonna Google this shit and get it. It's just gonna spawn there, yo. That's crazy. This late? Okay, so I'm just doing a lot of wrong shit when it comes to the init of shit. Source queue family index and destination queue member are equal, or if destination queue. Okay, this is interesting because this should not have been an issue for me even before. Oh. How does bro not know tikka masala? Bro, I have been living on student budget food stuff for years now. All I know is chicken and rice and noodles. That's all I know. what are these fancy dishes you're talking about? Noodles. Noodles. Yes. Okay, I think I probably am not gonna need... Everything should be fine. As long as I don't go to these upload images, I think. So if I do here a early panic. Fuck, again I changed the color of the keyboard. I should remove that key binding. Panic. Lol XD, my favorite kind of panic. I don't think we should have any validation errors. Yeah, we're fine until that point. But here's where we will have an validation layer. As soon as this should still be fine. Bam. But now if I take this one, here a validation layer should happen. I'm confident. Look at this. Bam, validation layers. So I'm fucking up those things. And I know what they are. Because these are just my transition stuff, and the transitions basically has to do with creating a barrier, and there's three things I think that could be wrong here. One is the image, and this bit thing, then the actual how I have misunderstood how I'm supposed to do this transition stuff, so I have to change a little bit in here. And then of course, no, this one should be fine, but I'm still gonna look into it. And another thing is also these device begin and end. I have to look into them because it said something about queue family, which I highly doubt could be a problem because, well, I'm only optimizing for a graphics queue family index, but that's maybe I should also check for getting a transfer. I'm just making an assumption that could be the issue. I'm not sure, but could be. So I will have to look into that. But the device at least exists, so yeah. Well, otherwise I couldn't call the thing because well, yes. Anyways, we're getting somewhere. I'm feeling confident that I'm gonna hit the bed and prepare for 2 math exams. But yeah, we're getting there, and every step just makes this concept a bit clearer. I'm gonna leave in these panics. I'm actually gonna leave them as panics. I'm not gonna do a return. I just realized that's way better because then when it runs, I can just read the lol panic instead of having a return and not forgetting that I actually have a what's it called? Just returning here. Like this will be so hard to find. But if I change it to be like, you know, the classical, my favorite debugging method is just That you cannot miss. If you miss that, you know, I don't know, man. Those things are fine. I'm gonna replace this with this. And then we have that, and then those are real panics. We have real panics and we have fake panics, alright? This we will have to do at some point as well, but... yeah, I guess that will be it for today. We have gotten to the point where we get validation layers, which I call a big step forward. Like, validation layers are a lot easy. Well, they are quite easy to debug because it's literally like they almost tell you what you're supposed to do. Literally in English text, and it's like, okay, thanks. And then they even give you the link to the documentation, which is freaking amazing. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Tomorrow, I have a strong feeling tomorrow we'll have textures. Alright, we will finally change this thing up here to something new. And once we have textures, oh wait, okay, I'm not gonna go yet. I'm gonna jap about what will happen next. Once we have textures, what does the guide tell us we should... I still wanna... because it's so many new modern concepts in this guide actually, which I haven't... like, whoa. Let's see, texture and an engine architecture. I guess it's not too bad to follow along that kind of still. Engine architecture will be the next thing, so I guess it will be cool. Setting up materials, meshes, okay, we'll still want to do that. GLTF loading, I think I would like to change the OBJ loader and the texture loader to something different. We'll probably see if I can integrate this thing, and then here's some extra chapters. We're not gonna do a DRM GUI. Nope. Nope. We're gonna use hot reloading. All right. That's the thing. And if we no, we're not gonna use it. We're gonna do probably some editor interface, but we'll see. This is cool. Thin abstraction, bro. There was already a major abstraction for this whole thing. Okay, these are all like pretty damn multi-threaded. I don't know. Maybe when we get into the audio, what else do we have here? I will never like it, bro. Okay. At least once we get the damn textures, then we will have something that we can continue off from. I still would like to read the other things, so we'll see. I will have to recreate the multiplayer thing, and the ECS should be fine as it is. I don't really care too much about it. But once we have that, then we can actually start generating the planet. Yes. I don't know what happened. How did that get there? But that's great. Yeah. We get to generating the planet and also start looking into the UI stuff. Hot reloading also will happen in there, but and then we will have the player, the enemies. Yeah. Then it's like actually start making the damn game. I think we should make a proprietary texture format from scratch and create a loader for it. Oh my god. And then we make our own modeling tool. We make our own blender using Vulkan. And we write it using binary. How about that? It's funny, if I went with OpenGL, I would probably be already at that point, but nah. I like Vulkan. It's way better to start thinking about all of these concepts. I don't know. I like it. Fantastic idea. Yes, write that down. Write that down. Write that down. Alright, but that's it. Now I'm gonna hit the bed. See ya. Bye bye. See ya later, allocators. It's my catchphrase.